In this video, we compare Roborock Q Revo Vacuum and Eufy X10 Pro Vacuum. By the end of this video, we hope you will know which of these two products suits your needs. The Roborock Q Revo Vacuum and Mop is a revolutionary product offering automated cleaning solutions, including auto mop washing and hot air drying for a hassle-free cleaning experience. The dual spinning mops feature, operating at 200 RPM with consistent downward pressure, ensures that even the toughest of stains are effortlessly removed. The Roborock Q Revo Vacuum has an intelligent auto mop lifting feature that transitions seamlessly between carpets and floors, ensuring a comprehensive cleaning without leaving any streaks. With a powerful 5,500 PA suction, this vacuum is capable of efficiently capturing dust and dirt across various surfaces, including hardwood floors, tiles, and carpets. The Reactive Tech Obstacle Avoidance system ensures precision cleaning by expertly detecting and sidestepping potential hazards, while the PreSense LiDAR navigation creates precise 3D maps for custom cleaning. With a self-emptying feature and a 5-liter water tank that refills automatically, this vacuum provides up to 7 weeks of hands-free cleaning, making it a convenient and efficient cleaning solution. The Eufy X10 Pro Vacuum is a remarkable all-in-one device that incorporates hands-free cleaning, featuring self-washing and drying mop pads, automatic dust bin emptying, and self-refilling, making it a convenient tool for maintaining cleanliness in your home. With its powerful suction capacity of 8,000 PA, the vacuum effortlessly removes hidden debris and pet hair in carpets, ensuring a clean floor in just one pass. The device is equipped with MopMaster 2.0, which operates at 180 rotations per minute and applies 1 kilogram of downward pressure to easily eradicate stains, leaving your floors spotless. The vacuum's AI.See Smart Cleaning feature enables advanced obstacle avoidance, capable of identifying over 100 different objects, even in the dark, allowing for a customized cleaning routine. The Eufy X10 Pro Vacuum comes with an auto-detangling roller brush that rotates in reverse to loosen and remove any hair wrapped around it, saving you the hassle of manual cleaning. The device's iPath laser navigation and customizable AI.Map 2.0 allow you to create no-go zones and virtual boundaries, ensuring the vacuum cleans your space exactly the way you want it. The Roborock Q Revo Vacuum and the Eufy X10 Pro Vacuum are both advanced cleaning solutions that offer automated cleaning and mopping with self-washing and self-drying features. Both vacuums have an auto mop lifting feature, enabling seamless transition between carpets and floors. However, the Roborock Q Revo Vacuum has a slightly higher spinning mop speed at 200 RPM compared to the Eufy X10 Pro Vacuum's 180 RPM, which might translate to a slightly more efficient stain removal for the former. The Eufy X10 Pro Vacuum boasts a more powerful suction capacity at 8,000 PA, significantly higher than the Roborock Q Revo Vacuum's 5,500 PA, which might make it more efficient at capturing dust and dirt. It also has an advanced AI.See Smart Cleaning feature that can identify over 100 different objects for customized cleaning, compared to the Roborock Q Revo Vacuum's Reactive Tech Obstacle Avoidance system. Both vacuums offer custom cleaning with 3D mapping technology, but the Eufy X10 Pro Vacuum further allows you to create no-go zones and virtual boundaries. The Roborock Q Revo Vacuum has a larger water tank at 5 liters and can provide up to 7 weeks of hands-free cleaning, while the Eufy X10 Pro Vacuum does not specify the duration of its hands-free cleaning. In terms of prices, the Eufy X10 Pro Vacuum is slightly more expensive than the Roborock Q Revo Vacuum, but it also appears to offer more advanced features. The Roborock Q Revo Vacuum has a higher review score, but the Eufy X10 Pro Vacuum has been sold more frequently per month, indicating a higher demand. In summary, the Roborock Q Revo Vacuum seems to be a good option for those prioritizing longer periods of hands-free cleaning and a slightly faster mopping speed, while the Eufy X10 Pro Vacuum might appeal more to those who appreciate higher suction power and advanced AI features for customized cleaning.